friends, welcome back to my channel. So last week I uploaded a video on important topics of human anatomy and you all liked it and it was useful for you all. So I'm really happy, and Abdul Rahman, Mansi, Mahima and Vrunda have requested for this video important topics of oral medicine and oral pathology. So apart from these guys, many of you have requested for this particular subject, and so I'm creating this video. Oral pathology and medicine is a very vast subject and it takes a lot of time. So in this video, I'm going to share it with you one strategy, okay, and a 7 days of to-do plan for you all. If you will follow this for 7 days, you will be done with this subject for sure. Now, if you will ask me that which topics are important from oral medicine and oral pathology, then it's a very difficult question because this subject itself is very important and 14 questions are asked from this particular subject. Okay, so in this video, I'm giving you how to cover this whole subject in 7 days. Okay, so please make most out of this video. Okay, so before quickly starting this video, I want you guys to promise me 3 things. Okay, first thing is you will watch this video till the end and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Second thing is, right from today you will start studying oral medicine and oral pathology with the detailed to-do plan as I have given. Trust me guys, it is doable, and daily you have to give 6 to 7 hours. Okay, yes, 6 to 7 hours of study, and this subject will be done in 7 days. And the third thing is, you have to share your feedback with me because it is important for me. It will help me to create more meaningful and informative videos for you all. Okay, so do share your feedback with me. I am active on all the social media and the links of which is in the description box. So now, any further ado, let's start this video. Day 1. So guys, here I have 14th edition of Dental Pulse and I'll be giving you chapters and to-do tasks from this, okay, Dental Pulse. So even if you have older edition of Dental Pulse, that is fine. It is just that the latest edition consists of questions from the latest examinations. So just keep yourself updated and you are fine. So your first task is developmental disturbances and there are 123 questions and I'm giving you 2.5 to 3 hours for the same. Now what you will do for each subject is you will read the question, you will read its explanation as well, and you will make your own notes. Whichever topics or points are difficult or you think that हाँ ये मैं भूल जाऊंगा या मैं भूल जाऊंगी, write it down in your notes very quickly. So for 123 questions you have 2.5 to 3 hours. Okay, better watch the time and then start solving MCQs. Okay, time is very important factor for us over here. So now your second task is dental caries, chapter number 5, and there are just 43 questions and I'm giving you 1 hour for it. Okay, 1 hour is sufficient to solve 43 questions of dental caries. But read the explanations well and solve this chapter. Okay, then third task is pulp and periapical infections. Again, it consists of 45 MCQs. You can solve it easily in an hour. And the last task of today is physical and chemical injuries with just 16 questions. Okay, so I'll be giving you 30 minutes for the same. So अगर हम total करें guys, so morning के 3 hours था अपना developmental disturbances, and then 1 hour for dental caries, 1 hour for pulpal and periapical infections, and 30 minutes for physical and chemical injuries. So it is hardly your 6 hours. Okay, if you wish, for 1 hour you can read the synopsis of these chapters. Okay, before sleeping, just read the synopsis for 1 hour. So it's a total of 7 hours and you are done with these 4 chapters. Day 2. Okay, so for day 2 we have benign and malignant tumors in the first part, okay, which is your chapter number 2. It consists of 173 questions. So I suggest you all कि उसको 2 half में करो. Okay, first you will finish the first 100 MCQs and their explanation, and then do the remaining 73 questions and their explanations. So I'm giving you 4 hours for the same. Okay, so don't read it in a stretch, but take a break and then do. So your mind will be more active. And one more thing guys, that क्वेश्चन के आंसर को रट्टाफाई नहीं करना है. ठीक है, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल्सो कि क्या व्हाट क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग अबाउट एंड व्हाट आर द अदर ऑप्शंस गिवन एज वेल अपार्ट फ्रॉम द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Then the second task is diseases of nerves and muscles, which is your chapter number 9, and we have just 38 questions in it. In 1 hour you can solve it आराम से. Then your third task is bacterial infection, chapter number 11. It consists of 53 questions. and I'm giving you 1.5 hour to solve it and to understand it, because bacterial infection में काफी सारी चीजें ऐसी है जो you have to remember it, revise it, थोड़े बहुत ऐसे tables दे के रखे हैं. So I'm giving you 1.5 hours. So that will be our 6.5 hour for day 2, and you will be done with these 3 chapters again. And if you are still ready to work, then read 30 minutes to 1 hour synopsis of these topics or subjects from your pulse. Day 3. Okay, so before I share the task for your day 3, I have one important information to share it with you all. Whatever strategy or the task I'm giving you, the similar method or the similar process, you can do it on a digital platform as well. So the amount of efforts, strategy which they are suggesting is actually, helping students achieve good results. In their last NEET and AIMS exams, they have got a strike rate of 90%. So it's a really commendable, and I would like to share quickly this one feature which is very cool, which is of guided prep. Okay, so let's just go on my mobile screen, and there you can. So guys, as you can see here, there is this feature of guided prep. Okay, in which what they are doing is they are providing you 80% of those topics which are frequently being asked. Okay, so they have sorted these topics for you on this, and you just have to follow the to-do list which is there. Yes, you have to complete all the to-do list in which they have videos for that particular topic or MCQs which you have to solve, and then you have to take the test. So I think it's a great model which can help you right now when you are struggling to complete the subject, and in just 6 months you have to prepare well for your NEET MDS. So this is a very great model according to me, and please do check it out, the link of which is in the description box below. So download the app now and check out this feature. So we are on day 3 now. On day 3, first thing you have to do is chapter number 3, which is odontogenic cyst and tumors. It consists of 63 questions, and you will be able to complete it in 1.5 hours. Okay. Then comes your chapter number 4, which is diseases of the salivary glands. It consists of 63 questions. Again, in 1.5 hours, you have to complete it. So in 3 hours, you will be done with these 2 topics, and these 2 topics are very, very important. So make good notes of it and try to learn and understand. Okay. Lastly, chapter number 12 and 13, which is viral and fungal infection. So it is very easier. Just go through it, solve it. If you have done general medicine pehle se, so these questions will be nothing for you. Okay. So in 2 hours, you can easily solve it. So day 3 ka 6 hours ka quota is done. Now you can read the synopsis of these topics or these subjects. Day 4, you are really doing great, and keep doing it. So guys, for the day 4, we have chapter number 8, which is bones and joint diseases. 70 questions are there. You can easily prepare it in 2 hours, and this is very, very important topic. The second task is chapter number 10, which is skin and vesicular bullous lesion. 76 questions are there, and again 2 hours I'm giving you to solve this. Then task number 3 is chapter number 15, just 17 questions. You can solve it easily in 30 minutes. It is of tongue disorders. And the fourth task is chapter number 16, which is on pigmentation, just 19 questions, 30 minutes, and now you can rest for the day 4. If you wish, you can revise and read the synopsis. Day 5. So on the day 5, you will be done with the total number of chapters of oral medicine and pathology if you are doing it along with me. So on the day 5, first task is chapter number 17, which is blood. Okay, do read blood from general medicine and physiology as well, not just from oral pathology. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 hours to complete this task. And then we have chapter number 14, which is metabolic diseases. 56 questions in 1.5 hours. You can easily solve it. And the last thing is miscellaneous chapter, which is chapter number 18, and it has 62 questions, so you can solve it in 1.5 hours for sure. So again, today if we count, it is just 5 hours. You still have 1 hour from your schedule. So that 1 hour you can invest it to complete if you have lagged behind in this schedule, or you can refer to synopsis. Day 6. So if you guys have reached till now in the video, then I consider that you all are very sincere regarding your preparation and you are finding my advice useful. So please do share this video among your friends and among your groups. On day 6, what we are going to do is we are going to solve the previous year's question. It is very beautifully given in Pulse. The questions might be repeated from the one you did in the earlier chapters, but the explanation of these 3 papers which they have given of 2017-18 2018-19 एंड 19-20 ऐसा करके 3 क्वेश्चन पेपर्स दिए हुए हैं. So read the explanation of these questions very nicely. So this is your to-do list for day 6. So now on the day 7, I recommend you all to give a test of this subject, oral pathology and medicine. So first in the morning 3 to 4 hours you can revise the whole subject, okay? Whatever things you have underlined in your pulse, whatever important questions which you have marked, or whatever important points of the synopsis which you have marked, just revise it. Be brave and give the test, okay? Do not procrastinate on giving the test, and do not think that I'm not ready yet, I don't want to give it, I don't know how much I remember. It's okay, nobody is there to judge you, okay? You have to judge or analyze your own self. So just give the test of this particular subject, and do let me know that how you found this strategy and this video, because your feedback is very much important. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.